Hey everyone, this is Matt with Body by Brady in Diffit Fort Mill, and I'm here with Matt Brady, also my dad, at representing Clean Eats Fort Mill, and we also have a third generation of Brady in the picture, 4-day-old Maddox, right here, wearing his muscle shirt. Oh, but he is. Just got done eating a little bit ago, so he is knocked out, or else he'd be going on this live with us and talking about it. So if you're just joining in, make sure to like our post, share our post, comment below with any questions you have as we go along here. So let's get started. So Matt, Dad, tell people a little bit about what Clean Eats is.
Well, Clean Eats is a way where people can find a healthy style of living.
Mm-hmm.
With eating, we have wholesome foods. Everything's in a natural form. We don't add any salt or sugar. It's a place where people are trying to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain weight. So it's
Okay.
all the options there for you.
All right. So how did you get started with Clean Eats?
I got started through my son Matthew here.
This guy.
This guy right there. And he was telling me about the franchise, and I was impressed with it. We went up and spoke to Amon and Don, and I really liked the way it was presented. And the food, I think the food is the one that pretty much gave me, let's do this together. And so we started.
All right. So tell people about the different options that are available at Clean Eats, like the cafe, the meal plans, the grab and goes, the smoothies, that kind of stuff.
Okay. Well, if you come into our cafe, there are many choices there for you. We have protein smoothies to start. We have kids meals. We have our snacks, which is Peter and hummus. We've got buffalo cauliflower. We have nachos. We have build your own bowls where you can build your own base, where you can build your own protein and up to 3 vegetables. And there we stir fry them with water, no oil, and you get many choices to choose for sauces. And the bowls are small, medium, large, between 4, 6, 8 ounces of protein. We have burgers, we have turkey burgers, we have bison burgers, we have black bean burgers. We make them 4 different ways for you. We have tahini sandwiches, we got quesos, we've got tomato basil and spinach wraps as well, and flatbreads. Okay. So there's a lot of choices to choose there for.
And I know a lot of people come for the meal plans, just running a studio. Anyone that's trying to get healthy and eat right, the biggest issue is meal prepping. And not just the meal prep, the time of going to the grocery store, prepping the food, cleaning up, portioning it out. Tell people about, what the meal plans are, when they come out, how they can do the ordering, that kind of stuff.
Well, the meal plans are very easily to do. All you have to do is give us your email, and every Thursday morning you'll get an email showing 5 new entrees and a new breakfast, and those change every week. It's never the same. You'll have up to Sunday night to put the orders in. And if you have no changes on those orders, they're ready Monday. If you want to do a half carb, no carb, more protein, they'll be ready on Tuesday.
Okay.
We do, if it's even further custom, we can do that as well, and they'll be ready on Tuesday too.
So you can either go to www.cleaneats.com and under meal plans, put your email in, or when you come into the store, you can tell the person at the front counter that you want to get on the email list. We don't send you a bunch of emails. It's one email on Thursday with the 5 new entrees, the 1 new breakfast that week, and then you'll get a follow-up email on Sunday just letting you know of the deadline to order. So you have to order Thursday through Sunday at midnight, whether you're doing the regular meal plan, special request, or custom. So on special request, it's half carb, no carb, extra protein, gluten-free. And then on your customs, you're going to pick your protein and go down. You're going to pick your carb and how much. You're going to pick your veggie. You can use any of our sauces, any of our seasonings, that kind of stuff.
We'll make it to fit whatever your diet is.
So tell people a little bit more about, we have a smoothie bar too. So with Clean Eats, we have a partnership with First Form Protein, or just First Form supplements. So we carry everything in the store. I actually have one right here. Cookie Monster, my favorite. My dad just brought over here. So with the First Form, they don't cook them under high heat. So the protein is not going to give you that protein gas that you might normally get from a lot of your whey proteins and stuff like that. It is a whey protein with it, and it's going to be good post-workout. It's going to be good as a meal replacement. We have a lot of different options in there, and there are more options coming out. We have the convention next month. So there's a lot of different mixtures and stuff you can do. We also sell the proteins there. We sell the level 1 and then the formula 1, which is a little bit better quality protein. We have pre-workout. We have fat burners. We have glutamine, which is good for post-workout recovery. We have creatine, which helps build muscle. We have a green shake, or a green mix. So if you have a problem or getting your veggies in and that kind of stuff, you can just take the green mix to help with that. So, with all that, kind of talk about, some of the results that you and Mom have got just from starting on the nutrition side itself.
Well, since we started January, I'm proud to say I've lost 12 pounds.
There you go.
My wife
and that's just exclusively
eating and just watching, eating the meals. The portions are great, and it's been filling.
Okay.
My wife has lost pounds too, and she loves it. When she would be a tough sell, Mom, and she loves it. And her favorites is the cranberry wrap, and now she's in love with the nachos.
Okay.
So it's been a blessing. It's been good.
Yeah.
Starting to fit into clothes better and everything else. I'm still got ways to go, but it's going the right way.
So we sell more than just, the cafe or the meal plans. Go over the different options, the grab and go freezer with the family style and the regular, the extra protein in there, the seasonings, the drinks, that kind of stuff.
Okay. Well, on our grab and go, we have dinners that go for $6.50. Our breakfasts are $5, and our family size is $17.99. But there, it feeds a family of 4. It's 16 ounces of protein. They're very easy to cook in the microwave, 2 to 3 minutes.
The family style you bake.
And the family style you bake. Those options of the different products we have, and they will always change with the meal plans, because we always have extra meal plans we make, so that you always get a different changes, so you don't see the same things in that grab and go. The drinks that we have, our signature drinks are
aspartame free.
Aspartame free. We do water fusion. Our teas we actually brew our teas, and they're unsweet. Mm-hmm. So you have a lot of choices. We also have, if you wanted to buy the Bang, we have Bang products. We have Buy, and we have the ice drinks there as well. Mm-hmm. So you have a lot of choices there to pick from.
So with the Clean Eats drinks, the mango, the cucumber, and the strawberry lemongrass, they're made with stevia. Right. There's no aspartame in it.
Right.
And then we also have our marketplace items. So if you're looking for, we have fudge that we make in-house. We have energy bars we make in-house. A big seller is the Power Crunch. I know the guys at the fire department like it. I love it. It's a good high-protein snack made with Chex Mix and our First Form protein powder. Yes. We also have cookies and overnight oats that you can do. With talking about the drinks and sauces too. So our sauces are Clean Eats Teriyaki, our Clean Eats Cilantro Lime, Sweet Chili, and Grecian is also made without any high fructose corn syrup in it.
And our spices that we use have no sodium and no MSG in them as well. So that's all healthy products there for everyone to use.
And I think what a lot of people with all the diets out there now, Whole30, keto, low carb, whatever, you can't go wrong with our build your own bowls. So it goes by small, medium, large, which is 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces of protein. We also have family style that's 16 ounces. So you're going to pick your base. Sweet potatoes, quinoa, cauliflower rice, regular rice, spinach, romaine. Then you're going to pick your protein, beef, chicken, tofu, salmon, bison, shrimp. So we have that, and then you're gonna pick 3 veggies, and then you're gonna pick a sauce. If you don't want a protein, you can pick an extra veggie to go with it. So that's good because you can customize those for whatever you want.
And those vegetables we use water. We put them on our flat top, so they come to you nice and hot, but without oil. So that's another thing people like.
What's your favorite thing to eat there?
Mine is I love the Philly flatbread and the cranberry chicken wrap.
Okay.
They're my 2 best.
I like the Arnold, and that's under Making Muscle. It's a big old burrito that's really good. So one thing I don't think a lot of people realize is that we do caterings.
Yes.
So if you have a work event, if you're doing a birthday party, if you're just having a baby shower or anything like that, we also do catering. You can reach out to us. You can email us at brady@cleaneats.com, and we can set that up for you. In conjunction with Body by Brady, we do lunch and learns with your business, so you can reach out to that, where we'll come by, bring lunch, and then talk about some health and nutrition stuff that people might want to go over. And there's more coming down the line. We're going to the convention in June, so we're going to have a lot more vegetarian options.
Veggie options. There's going to be a new lettuce wrap coming out. There's going to be some new types of wraps coming out as well. So
we're partnering with Beyond. It's Beyond something, but it's all the vegetarian line of chicken patty, burger patty, and that kind of stuff. So we're definitely going to have more stuff like that. Why don't you tell people where we're located, the address, our hours, phone number, email.
Okay. Our address is 1504 Carolina Place Drive. Our phone number is 803-578-2818. We're open Monday to Friday from 11 to 7 and on Saturdays from 11 to 3. Our email again is brady@cleaneats.com.
And that's Z, EATZ. And then don't forget on the meal plans, you can go to cleaneats.com/meal plan or meal plan menu, and then order Thursday through Sunday. It's a pickup. If you take it as is, it's a pickup on Monday from 11 to 7. You don't have to call up there. It'll be ready. Any kind of special request, custom order will be a Tuesday pickup, and it will be ready at 11 for you. So you need to call ahead, just pick up. If you're not going to be able to pick up on Monday or Tuesday, call the store, send us an email, and we can hold it to you for Wednesday.
Another thing we do a royalties program at the store. If you come in, put your phone number, and every dollar you spend, you get points. And those points could lead to desserts, free smoothies, $2 off, $3 off. It's also a way, if we're going to send something out of a special going on, you'll be contacted right away on that.
Because we'll do different. It might be bring a friend, get 25% off your meal. If you have, if we're doing a grab and go special, we'll send that out. You can look. We'll be at St. Philip Neri this weekend. We'll probably have some coupons and stuff. If you come by the booth, put in and that's why you can sign up for the meal plan. So we'll be at the St. Philip Neri Festival. And then toward the end of the month, you'll start to see us on the back of the Harris Teeter receipts. You'll be able to get a coupon on that. The Harris Teeter on Pleasant Road, Westtown Market one on the corner of Pleasant Road and 160. Toward the end of May, we'll have a coupon on the back of there you can check out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to come by the store.
Look at us on Facebook, because sometimes we'll do a realtor day, a dentist day, or professional day, and usually I'll come in with a 10% off on your meal. So just look out for stuff like that we send out.
Yeah, you can follow us on Facebook at Clean Eats Fort Mill. We're also on Instagram, so we'll make announcements on there and everything. So if you have any questions, just come by the store. We'll be happy to help check you out. And we'll talk to you guys soon, and we'll have Maddox say bye.
There he goes.
There you go.
All right.
All right.
Take care now.
Bye.
Bye-bye.